Hi students, MCQ 24. The coefficient of performance of a refrigerator working between the temperatures 10 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius has to be found. This is the easiest problem that may be asked in any competitive exam. Direct formula only. Now whichever temperature is higher in the given information, that is the source temperature. So what is given? T1. T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. So in Kelvin I have to convert plus 273 I will add. So that this is equal to 293 Kelvin. And the lower temperature is a sink temperature. So this is equal to what? 10 degrees Celsius. So that is equal to 10 plus 273 in Kelvin. So this is 283 K. Now what is the expression for the coefficient of performance? COP for the refrigerator is equal to what? Q2 divided by Q1 minus Q2. So in terms of temperature it is proportional, no? Therefore it must also be equal to T2 divided by what? T1 minus T2. You have to remember this expression. So what is T2 here is 283. So this is equal to 283 divided by T1 minus T2 is 293 minus 283. So this is equal to 283 divided by 10. So it must be equal to 28.3. Okay. So which is the correct option? Option C is the right answer, 28.3. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. So this type of easy questions also has been asked many times. You have to remember only the expression correctly. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.